All right, today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on the Halo Kwikset. Step one, get your batteries. It takes AAA batteries. I use alkaline because it lasts longer. So once you have your batteries, you come over to the lock. All you have to do is slide this up, comes off, then you take out the cartridge, just like that. And then you take out the batteries in the cartridge. Then you replace the battery. Make sure I'm doing this right. Okay. This should be pointing towards you. And then you take the cartridge back. Slide it this way. This do not insert batteries until the lock has been installed on the door. Should be facing you. That's how you know you're putting it correctly. Put it in. You hear that green light? That tells you it's all set. Then you put the cover, slide the cover back on. The door should start working now. There you go. Let me test it. I'm gonna hide my code. So everything works. The job is done. And that's it. Thanks.